Samsung has now announced that it will make the Galaxy S25 Edge fully official on May 13th. The Galaxy S25 Edge is 5.8mm thin and weighs just 163 g. The Edge will be the second most expensive S25 model. The 256GB version of Galaxy S25 Edge will cost $1,678 Canadian dollars. The S25 Edge come in three colors: titanium jet black, titanium icy blue, and titanium silver. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge equipped with a 6.7-inch display with FHD plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy S25 Edge powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for Galaxy and run on Android 15 based One UI 7. The new Galaxy S25 Edge appears to have a dual camera unit with two distinct lenses stacked vertically at the back, a 200-megapixel primary sensor, while the ultra-wide is 12MP. It is said to pack a 3,900 mAh battery and feature 25W max charging speeds. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.